Imagine stepping into your backyard at night, and instead of darkness, you're greeted by a soft, warm glow outlining your fence like something straight out of a luxury home magazine. If you think you need wiring, electricians, or a bigger budget to make that happen, think again. These solar fence lights might just surprise you in ways you never expected. Now let's explore how they can completely transform your nights. Transforming darkness into instant atmosphere. Install solar fence lights along the top or sides of your fence to create a soft perimeter glow that instantly defines your outdoor space. This simple upgrade turns a plain, invisible boundary into a warm and welcoming frame that makes your backyard feel intentional and designed. Choose warm white LED solar lights instead of harsh, bright tones to create a cozy and inviting ambiance. The gentle glow makes your garden feel like an outdoor living room rather than just a yard that disappears after sunset. Place lights evenly with small gaps between them to create a balanced and elegant lighting rhythm. This subtle symmetry makes your space look professionally styled without anyone realizing how easy it was to achieve. Creating security without wiring. Use solar fence lights with motion sensors near gates, corners, and darker edges of your yard. When movement triggers the light, it instantly increases visibility and adds a layer of protection without needing a single electrical connection. Install brighter solar units along entry points to clearly define pathways and reduce the risk of trips or accidents at night. Good lighting doesn't just look beautiful, it makes your home feel safer and more controlled. Opt for automatic dusk to dawn solar lights so they turn on and off by themselves every single day. That hands-free reliability creates peace of mind because you never have to remember switches or timers. saving money while upgrading your home. Choose high-efficiency solar panels that charge during the day and power your lights all night long. You'll upgrade your outdoor look without adding a single cent to your electricity bill, and that feeling is incredibly satisfying. Install multiple units at once to create a dramatic transformation for a fraction of the cost of wired lighting systems. What looks like a premium renovation is actually one of the most budget-friendly upgrades you can make. Look for durable, weather-resistant materials so your solar fence lights last through rain, heat, and cold. Long-term performance means you invest once and enjoy the glow for years. Installing in minutes, no tools, no stress. Select wireless, clip-on, or screw-mounted solar fence lights that require minimal effort to secure. Most models can be installed in just a few minutes, making it a project you can complete in a single afternoon. Position each light where it receives direct sunlight during the day for maximum nighttime brightness. Proper placement makes all the difference and ensures you get that consistent, impressive glow every evening. Test spacing and height before final mounting to create the perfect visual effect across your fence line. Taking a few extra minutes to adjust placement can elevate the entire aesthetic of your yard. Elevating your backyard into a nighttime escape. Layer solar fence lights with soft garden accents like pathway lights or small spotlights for a multi-dimensional effect. This combination creates depth and makes your backyard feel like a curated outdoor retreat. Use lighting to highlight plants, textures, or architectural features along the fence. When greenery and wood grain catch that soft glow, your space suddenly feels warm, intimate, and alive. Step back after installation and notice how the entire mood shifts once the sun goes down. What was once just a dark fence becomes a glowing backdrop for memories, conversations, and peaceful evenings under the stars. As the sun sets and your solar fence lights begin to glow, your backyard becomes more than just an outdoor space. It becomes a feeling. A place where shadows turn soft, where conversations linger a little longer, and where simple evenings feel intentional and beautifully designed. You didn't need wires. You didn't need an electrician. You didn't need a massive budget. Just smart placement, layered lighting, and the power of the sun. And once you see that warm glow outlining your fence every night, you'll realize something powerful. Small upgrades can completely transform how your home feels. But what if lighting isn't the only detail that can elevate your backyard? If you loved this transformation, wait until you see how a small white picket fence can completely redefine the charm and personality of your garden. It's not just a fence, it's the detail that turns a simple yard into a storybook space. Click now and discover how this timeless design can make your garden look brighter, cozier, and unbelievably elegant. You won't see your outdoor space the same way again.